In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a really awesome Cobra bracelet with no cinches on the sides. I'll start up by mixing up the colors so that I won't be confused as to what goes where, and then up to female buckles and 2 male buckles. This way, by mounting the black ends on the jig, I'll know that I have my sand buckles that I'm gonna use. So find the middle of the paracord, like so. Mesh it so it's flat, that way it goes easy into the buckle. Mesh, there we go. Put it over the buckle and tighten it up, like so. That was the first end. Straightening out the cord, taking the far side of the cord and putting that through, putting it over there. And I messed up. This is the near side. Not to worry, I'll just make things more interesting. Then the far side goes over there. This is where the needle might come in a bit handy. As you can see, the cinches make it a bit more difficult, but there we go. Straighten it out like that. And there we go. And now for the funny part. So you want to start up by taking the right side and pull it under the core strands. Then the left side goes under the right side, over the core strand and through this loop on the right side. There we go. Now, the side that went under always goes under, and the side that went over always goes over. So do like this, tighten it up. There you have your first pass. Then you go again. And again. And again. And every now and then I'm just gonna push in the passes so that it'll be more compact. This is of course a matter of taste, but that's the way I like to make them, nice and tight. Now, as you can see, by pulling it tight like this, ensures that I have a nice and unison weave. And then from here on, it's just a matter of keeping going. Now, as I'm nearing the finish, I'm trying to figure out how many are there left. Is my knot tightness going okay? Is it nice and compact? It is, so I keep going. This is the part where I take it off the jig, like so. And then I'm able to just pull real tight, like that. Yeah, nice and compact. And now for the last few passes. And then for the last one, I'm not going to tighten it all the way down. This is where most people just cut and singe. I don't. I turn it around. Then I screw on my awesome paracord needle, like so. Put it in through the backside, a couple of passes down, like so, and pull. Switch threads with the needle. Screw off the needle. There we go. Turn the bracelets around. Look, does it look nice? It does, except it needs to be tightened. Like so. And like so. And pull through there, follow the thread. There we go, and pull. And that's acceptable in my world. Cut off the excess. Cinch down here. That way it won't be visible on the sides. And there you have it. One really cool, very uniform bracelet. Now, as for the leftovers, I'm just gonna cinch them and save them for later, so I can make a really cool project with it, like this clover, for example, that I showed you in the other video. That's all. Thanks for watching.